Yo, what's up, Learning Machines? Welcome to this video. In this video, I want to talk about how to make money with TrafficJunky, WarriorPlus, and JVZoo. These are platforms you can crush it with, okay? This is just Max Bounty. You can crush it with Max Bounty, absolutely. Tons of offers here that convert like wildfire, but I'm not doing adult traffic with Max Bounty, okay? I just wanted to show you guys. I know what I'm talking about, okay? Here's adult traffic right here. This platform is called Crack Revenue, and I'm only 5 days in the month with both of these right here. This is Max Bounty. This is Crack Revenue. For CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, these two platforms are my favorite by far, okay? But here's the thing. For this method we want to talk about today, here's what we're going to talk about, guys. TrafficJunky traffic, sending to, basically, these are make money online offers. These offers are very powerful offers. They can make you a lot of money. Okay, this is a demonstration account, okay, just for this channel to show you guys. So I don't have to blur out a bunch of my campaigns and tons of stuff, because TrafficJunky can go insane with how much stuff to show. Okay, so I will show you how to build a campaign in this video, and I will explain to you how to actually promote these the right way. And you do want to do banner ads, banner adult traffic, okay? And you do want a direct link, unless you could do a pre-sale page that will convert the traffic even higher than the vice versa or whatever, okay? So here's JVZoo. JVZoo's got tons of flipping offers, and you can go through them and you can literally see the best converting offers, okay? You can go by EPC if you want. I like to go by how many have been sold, but I'll show you in a second. Ready? So if we sort by EPC, if it'll sort, I guess it won't sort. Okay, we're going to go by sold. It's not even clicking. That's super weird. JVZoo should be working. I don't know why it's not working necessarily. I'll have to look at it a little deeper. Okay, let's see. So, yeah, JVZoo's got a lot of different niches. Okay, they were just delayed. All right, remind me in an hour, man. Remind me in an hour. Okay, sold. Let's see this. So, basically, guys, JVZoo is kind of like WarriorPlus and ClickBank affiliate networks, if you've ever seen those before, okay? Now, this should load. Okay, so that it was already sorted by sold. So, if we see right here, this one's a video creation software. This won't do good with adult traffic. This one right here, Easy Sketch Pro Business. You could look into it deeper and see, but the thing is, at the end of the day, you want something like this, commission machine. Okay, some people don't, if it's cold traffic, don't forget that. So adult traffic is very cold traffic. You want to make sure they kind of understand the wording. So if you're to promote one of these offers, it needs to be easily understood by people. People don't know what affiliate marketing is. I wouldn't really even promote something like that unless you phrase it differently, okay? So the best offer just on this page that I see, and these are the highest converting ones, the commission machine, okay? You can make money testing this offer and see how it goes with adult, okay? But in general, you can sort by categories, and you can literally look deeper, and you could even maybe find something relevant completely to adult. I don't fully like to do stuff completely relevant to like adult. I like to do mainstream offers, things that branch out. I even like the idea of e-commerce. I haven't done e-commerce plus adult, but I know that that is one of the top ways, okay, by far. Okay, but info products can work very, very well. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of JVZoo, and you can go through it. If JVZoo is your platform that you use, then do it. Like I showed you, I just use literally Max Bounty, and I use Crack Revenue here, okay? That's basically all I use for affiliate marketing out of everything. And then I do my own offers. I craft my own offers with ClickFunnels. I have upsells in place. I use PLR products, all these things, okay? And you could do the same, and you can craft your own stuff, because you'll realize you get 100% commission if it's your own thing. And you can put your own upsells, get commissions off that. And you have full control of everything in the funnel, okay? So everything's your fault if it doesn't work. So you have complete control. That's really powerful. And that's why I like that actually almost more than affiliate marketing in some ways, okay? But affiliate marketing can make you a millionaire, no problem, okay? Just understand all the angles of everything. That's why I like chess. Okay, now if we look here, this is crazy, okay? WarriorPlus I like more in JVZoo in a few ways, okay? I like it based off how you can find offers. I like the offers they have, but I don't even like promote WarriorPlus offers like crazy. But I'd like to look at ideas from WarriorPlus and JVZoo and all these other platforms and ClickBank and all these ones, okay? When I make my own. So basically, if you want to make your own, you can look at these freaking sites and you can see here, oh, this is a great name, set and forget. And then you combine that name with like this one right here, 60-second traffic pro, okay? Or cryptocurrency and all this stuff. You combine it, you come up with your own ideas and your own offers that are no-brainers, and you get adult traffic sent to it for so cheap, okay? And you also can build your own brand awareness if it's your own brand. So you can like build your own brand, just name your company whatever you want. Have your own domain name, put your own domain name in inside of your banner ads, and you'll get a lot of brand awareness, and people will go search for you too. Because there's just so much frequency of them seeing the domain name when you're advertising so much, and it works, man. It works. Okay. Now, when people click over to your site, it's your site, and the numbers work out because you make a lot of money. Okay, because it's 100% commission. So it's really powerful. Okay. Now, if we look here, we do want to sort by sales. So let's go up here and go by sales, and I'll show you guys the top offers here on WarriorPlus, so you know, and then we'll go into building a campaign. So here you are, okay? 0 hour work days, doesn't look like the commission rate's very high. These ones look pretty good, other than this one's pretty low, this one's pretty low down here, and it's a giveaway thing. A lot of these are Brandon Mace, the vendor. He has some good products that performed really good on WarriorPlus. Basically, all of WarriorPlus is this one individual almost, okay? Most of the money made on WarriorPlus is from one person, which is pretty cool, okay? But anyway, that's kind of interesting to look at, okay? It's not fully relevant, but anyway, these top offers can work well. This one right here would work well with adult traffic. This one right here would work well with adult traffic. This one probably not. This one, yes. This one maybe. This one probably, yeah. This one, no, yes, yes, okay. And you can test all these. Funnels don't make sense to cold traffic. And I'm skipping stuff if it's a maybe to me, okay? Okay, take it. That's a maybe, if not great. This one's pretty good. This one's good. Okay. So anyway, that one's pretty good. So you find these offers and you can promote them straight up, direct link. Or if you want, you could do a landing page, pre-sale page that converts and persuades people like crazy to buy. It's literally awesome, okay? But you gotta know what you're doing. Okay, I have it literally whole done for you a service where I literally make it for you. I have got it there for you, everything. Okay, it's really powerful. Or I could build it for you guys. Done a few campaigns, very powerful. And then I also have step-by-step trainings, all the stuff down below if you are interested at all, okay? So here we are in building the campaign. So let's say we pick one of these offers. We're like, yeah, we want to promote the lost code, okay? So then we request to get the link, and then we're going to promote it, okay? Here's how we do it. We go over here, we add a creative. You do a static banner, you just upload it. It gets approved a little later. Then you're ready to do your campaign. You do bid, name it whatever, okay? That's kind of how I name stuff, but if you wanted to be more specific, you kind of just say exactly what it is. Is it US? Is it desktop? And what is it you're promoting? Okay, where you're linking to? Is it quality traffic? Is it what size banner? Okay, that's what you gotta do. Most common banner size, I would say, is this one right here. Okay, 300 by 250. That's very common. Now, because we're doing something we're selling, we want to do desktop traffic. Okay, very important. Next is we want to do straight. We want to do mail based off the offer. We want to do United States. Okay. We want to add it. Okay. And let's see, position. This is where you can kind of select where it's going to be. I never even do that. I never select that. I don't care. I just leave it as is. If you want to really use a tracker and see, oh, is Chrome only converting or any other things like browsers, you can go ahead and change that when you know the data, okay? And you can also know the data of all this too later, okay? That's powerful. But this offer should convert mainly in the United States, okay? And that's what you advertise. You're just like, screw it, let's do it, okay? So, save and continue. That's basically what you do. All right, let's see. So now you want to do a link. Let's grab a freaking link, man. Let's go over to Max Bounty and grab a link. Let's do this one. Okay, build the tracking link, contextual. Let's just do contextual for this scenario here. All right, here we are. Boom. Okay, paste. So now you select your demo freaking image for this channel to show you guys. And then you confirm it. You're all set. You're all set. Okay, so now save and continue. Okay, so based off the offer we're going to promote, if we were promoting it, WarriorPlus offer here, lost code, it pays out $20. So what we're going to do is we are basically going to set our budget at $20 or somewhere around there, okay? You could do 25. You can do $20, but if they allow it, sometimes they only want it minimum 25. So you just do 25. If you get some conversions, if you get 2 conversions, you're profitable right off the bat. But you can get a few. You can get a few. I mean, nothing's stopping you. All you need to do is have a good banner that lets them know, hey, this is what it is we're offering. So you don't get people just clicking just for clicks and then they are confused what they're on. If you want to do that, then do pop under traffic, okay? But pop under traffic has to have way broader appeal. You're kind of doing something specific. So you're advertising so many people. You're advertising in front of so many people with a banner, and you're letting them know what you're offering. And if they're interested in what you're offering, then they will convert on it and they will buy. Does that make sense? Okay. Now the max bid 1. Okay, you could do 1. You could increase the bid if you want. Then you just confirm campaign. You're ready to go. I mean, it's that easy. Okay. Now you want to split test between 5 banners to 10 banners, but I really don't want to recommend go above 6 banners, okay? Because then you have to have a higher budget usually, and most people don't have a higher budget to split test so many banners. And if you do 5 different banners, okay, if you do 5 different banners, you're going to find out which one is doing the best, and you can base that off click-through rate. You don't need to have a tracker if you don't want to. Some people recommend doing a tracker, but at the end of the day, if your offer is converting, you basically don't need to have a tracker. You just need to know what banners are actually getting you clicks, okay? And then you literally just link to this offer. You've got your banners going, and then you run traffic. You get data, okay? If you are in the green, then perfect. Then you can optimize from there even more green. If you're in the red, that's fine for a few days. Then you get data. Then you make changes based off that data, and now you scale with green data, stuff that's working for you. Okay, that's how you crush it, guys. That's basically all you've got to do to crush it. Thank you so much for watching Learning Machines and Adult CPA Marketers. I will see you guys later for some more strategies you can take action on and crush it. And peace out, Learning Machines. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.